Hey guys, so today we're gonna be I'm gonna be making a tutorial on how to make an AFK grinder. So you don't need all of these tools that I have. So you need the screwdriver tool. You need the screwdriver tool. Like 70 of a light object, like for example wood or plastic. Where is it? There we go. A wheel, 2 wheels to be accurate. And 2 portals and something that can go far to to stage 2. Something that can Okay, so to start it's time to start. So first you want to place a wheel centered. Then you want to place one lightweight block, then put 49 more of those blocks here. Now because I have the scale tool, it's really easy for me, but it's depending on your it depends. So after you got this really long line here, so you want to place the second wheel there, and then you want to place another plastic block, and then 4 more plastic blocks. Then you want to go 2 down, 3 down. And then you want to place the portal. Oh, never mind, you need 2. Sorry guys. What is that? So then you want to build okay, so you want to save. AFK. You want to save a bunch of times because sometimes it won't work. So then you want to build something, and so then you want to build something that can go. Also for this tutorial I'm gonna be using jet. I can't find the seat. So then you want to place a portal somewhere attached. And don't get stuck from it. Okay, so guys, I will be showing you from some other tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how to get free portals. Okay, guys. So after you've done that, you want to save. Wait, and then you want to set this wheel to 40 wheel speed and maximum wheel torque. And for this one, you also want to set it to maximum wheel torque, but the wheel speed to 5. Then you want to place a lever Oh my god. So after you place your lever, you're basically done. Save this a bunch of times, and this is how to set it up. So first you want to set up your thing that can put the portal. So then you want to go, don't launch guys. So then you want to travel to the second stage, this stage right here, to this stage, and then then you need to slow down if you can. For me, I need to use the screwdriver tool. So you want to get over here. So then you want to anchor this portal right about here. So remove all that, and then you will die. Yeah, there we go. So then you need to anchor off this. Then collision all for all of this except for that. So now it won't have collision with all these trees. And you're basically done. Don't worry, you will get gold each time you die. Let's see all the messages. Yeah, so you'll be dying and dying and dying. But guys, be careful because that portal won't disappear completely. When you press clear all, that portal won't disappear that above the water. It won't disappear. So yeah guys, that's it for this video.